Modern manufacturing takes place in rapidly changing environments, so companies must be ready to handle fluctuations. But the increasing complexity of manufacturing is challenging the shop floor. With thousands of parts involved, the question becomes how to keep production flowing seamlessly. Complex material flow impacts every aspect of the process. Companies need to increase efficiency and eliminate bottlenecks to avoid downtime. The answer is connecting your warehouse to your assembly line. It starts in your warehouse with modular-like machines. These automated storage solutions optimize space and improve picking and storage. And they hold thousands of parts. Capgemini's solution integrates material handling using modular-like machines. Our solution connects SAP Extended Warehouse Management using SAP Manufacturing Integration and Intelligence so that the right parts are moved to the right place at the right time. Now, your line-side materials replenishment is more accurate and automated. High volume is not an issue, with up to 3,000 handling units replenished per hour. By learning from the usage data and patterns, our solution decreases material handling time and reduces wear and tear on the machines itself. We build a more intelligent business with the combination of SAP EWM and modular-like machines so that you can transform your materials management. Let Capgemini help you get the future you want.